Are you looking for the best Multimeters review? Here we will break down the top 7 best Multimeters reviews on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Fluke 87V Digital Multimeter. This is arguably one of the best multimeters you will find on the market today. There are many reasons why the Fluke model is so popular among seasoned technicians. One of those reasons is the fact that the company is among the best producers of multimeters, and all its products are of the highest quality. Just like other Fluke models, this multimeter has the most features and everything you will ever need while working with a multimeter. The product makes use of an auto-ranging system, but there is an option for manual if you want. This multimeter creates an analog bar that can be used to track rapidly changing signals, which makes it a preferable choice than a straight analog multimeter. 2 features put the Fluke ahead of the competition. First is the feature that makes it beep when the input jack is connected wrongly. The second is the fact that it measures as high as 20 A for 30 seconds at a time. The first feature makes it suitable for use even by an inexperienced technician. Most beginners usually take the wrong measurements, but with this multimeter they will be notified when the wrong measurement is taken. Although it is one of the most expensive models around, its features and efficiency makes it worth the money. If you want to have the most effective multimeter when reading currents and doing many other things, this Fluke model will definitely serve you well. For those who really want a high-quality product and are not too constrained by budget, this is the ideal multimeter to buy. At number 2. AstroAI Digital Multimeter. Among the many multimeters included in these reviews, there is a recurring theme. Almost every digital multimeter is held to an extremely high standard for construction, accuracy, and versatility. For a multimeter to stand out from the crowd, it needs to have something truly special and advantage that makes it a clear winner as our best overall pick. AstroAI Digital Multimeter, True-RMS 6000 does exactly that by featuring built-in explosion-proof ceramic fuse tubes. Secure and reliable, these fuses will effectively protect the inner workings of the AstroAI from being damaged even in the event of an accidental overload. Capable of protecting the multimeter across all ranges, it's a game-changer in the category of health and safety. Furthermore, the rest of the True-RMS 6000's features are spot-on. Easy to use and easy to read, it features a wide range of testing options and professional quality accuracy, making it ideal for everything from home use to commercial applications. In short, it's the multimeter that we choose for our own toolbox, and we recommend that you do the same. At number 3. Innova 3320 Auto-Ranging Digital Multimeter. First, it is made by a reputable manufacturer who has made the best multimeter before. Secondly, it's one of the best multimeters you can ever come across for home use. For beginners, Innova 3320 multimeter is the perfect meter you need if you want to make a name in the electronic engineering field. What's more, you can use Innova 3320 in solving household problems such as car batteries failure, because it is an auto-ranging multimeter. Therefore, with it, you don't need to dial in the correct range in electronic measurements. This best beginner multimeter can input up to 10 megohms, and comes with color indicators on its display screen to indicate the battery power. Green color shows it has enough power, yellow shows the battery is weak, and red indicates that its batteries need a replacement. Other accessories that this multimeter comes with include holders, test leads, and a stand. The rugged red rubber covers placed around its corners are not only meant to enhance its look, but also prevent wearing off or breakage in case the unit slips off your hands. Want to know what Innova 3320 has in store? Of course, you're eager to know, or are you eager to learn more about best multimeters? Then read along. I must admit that I find myself digging deeper into details when reviewing these meters. That gives me the joy to test both AC and DC for voltage, so that I can have first-hand experience. Well, by now, you should be pretty informed about the features of this multimeter to make a smart decision regarding whether it would meet your specific needs or not. The Innova 3320 has several remarkable multimeter features that come along with it, but that doesn't mean it has no drawbacks. That being said, this testing gadget Multimeters is designed to provide for easy testing, and not for heavy-duty work. But if you are in need of a budget-friendly multimeter that can be used around the house, then Innova 3320 multimeter is a wise buy for you. At number 4. Crenova MS8233D Auto-Ranging Digital Multimeter Home Measuring Tools with Backlight LCD Display. Crenova is an auto-ranging multimeter kit that is widely used in schools, colleges, laboratories, and other sources. It is most prominent among all other multimeter devices of various brands. You can also test the respective parameters on a circuit breaker, distribution boards, and industrial equipment. Auto-ranging multimeter allows you to select the correct measurement range when you deal with various components from electronics to electrical sources. This wonderful device can switch to other functions for performing specific tasks like measuring the readings of resistance, voltage, and current on display unit. Parameters to be considered while using multimeters are perfect to grab with an affordable price. It is a portable multimeter that measures the readings accurately. Display screen makes easy to read and select the desired results. Uses PTC protection circuit for resistance and frequency measurement. At number 5. Extech X330 Autoranging Mini Multimeter with NCV and Type K temperature. The Extech X330 is at the opposite end of the price spectrum than that of the Fluke 87V digital multimeter. This is the best budget multimeter for around 50 bucks. You'll be hard pressed to find a multimeter unit that is better than the EX330 at the $50 price point. It is definitely the best cheap multimeter out there right now. This unit has a wide array of features. You can test current, capacitance, frequency, continuity, diode, duty cycle, resistance, and voltage. On top of all that, you get auto ranging, continuity tester, tilt stand, and the data readout can be set to max hold data hold relative. For $50, that is pretty dang good. The fact that it has the capability to sense temperature makes it worth this price alone. This unit runs on 2 AAA batteries. Even though this model may be aimed at the professional market, even hobbyists can afford it. At number 6. Fluke 115 Compact True-RMS Digital Multimeter. The Fluke multimeter has become extremely popular for those who work in the field of electrical industry, including gears, mechanics, and solar panel installation and repair services. It is aimed at the beginner, and those who are still learning to use the device will find it to be an excellent tool. This multimeter is small in size and works very well when compared to its rivals in the market. It provides sturdy design and is both reliable and very accurate in its measurements. It is True-RMS multimeter for home use. Keeping to the tradition of Fluke models, it is expensive, but since it is a superior quality product, one shouldn't object to the high price. Since it is reliable and works perfectly, Fluke multimeter comparison with rivals is impossible. It can measure till 10 amps without any problems. It has a high safety rating and operates well with a 9V battery and is the best Fluke multimeter. At number 7. KAIWEETS Digital Multimeter. If you don't want to ante up hundreds of dollars for a Fluke and want a more budget-friendly option, but still want a solid DMM with nice features to keep around the house, garage, or office for taking basic measurements, check out this KAIWEETS DMM. It's a bestseller for good reason. The bottom line is you will not be getting quite the quality in build and functionality we've come to expect from brands like Fluke, Klein, and others, but that's okay. If you're not going to be needing a professional level meter and using it every day, then the affordable price point on this model will makes it a great budget pick for someone needing to make hobby level, D, or at home troubleshooting level measurements. This model is easy to operate and has all the basic functionality you'd expect, plus some other cool and useful features such as non-contact voltage testing, live function with both a sound and light indicator alarm, auto ranging, low battery indicator prompt, data retention, and more. One that I like when I was personally using this meter was when I was testing a live wire. The screen color changes to red to indicate this detection. It also had a built-in LED flashlight on the back, which I found very useful as I was taking my measurement inside an enclosure.